Are you looking for the best HVAC tool bag? Here we will break down the top 5 leather tool belts on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Custom LeatherCraft 255 Layer Tech Gear 53 Pocket Lighted Backpack. If you find yourself mostly working in not well-lit places, then you should think of getting a tool pack that doubles up as a light source, like the Custom LeatherCraft 255 Layer Tech Gear 53 Pocket Lighted Backpack. This is made possible by its built-in LED light with 3 light output levels. This bag has 2 main sections compartments. These, together with the 53 pockets, 11 multi-use pockets for all kinds of tools and accessories, 14 accessory pockets and 28 tool pockets, gives you an easy time organizing and retrieving your tools. In addition to the above superb appeal, the organizational property of this backpack is fueled by the 2-inch straps made to secure storage of your battery charger and the cordless drill. This property majorly lessens the hassle faced with other backpacks since it stores your drill within your reach. Expect unrestricted movement in your working environs due to the padded shoulder straps, which enable you to keep your hands free. How convenient. This bag has a large base pad that is ideal to reduce the wear and tear caused by every friction and use of the backpacks. Above all, its USB charging battery dock can simultaneously charge 2 devices via USB ports. So, you will never have to worry about your devices going off when you have this bag on your back. At number 2. CLC Custom LeatherCraft 113275 Pocket Tool Backpack. CLC 75 Pocket Tool Backpack is available as a backpack-only option or as a backpack with clip-on poly bags that is slightly higher in price. HVAC technicians benefit from a total of 75 pockets housed in 6 zippered compartments that are padded and secured with hook and loop closure mechanisms. However, it also comes with loops, sleeves, and a multi-compartment tray of 7x 5.5 inches for storing tiny tools. The tray is made from plastic while the bag itself features ballistic polyester fabric for durability. Both the strap and the 2 handles are padded for effortless transport, a welcome quality considering this model is relatively heavier than some of the best HVAC tool bags we reviewed. The roomy bag measures 9x 13x 17.5 inches. The sleeves and pockets vary in their size and styles to accommodate a wide range of essential repair tools on the move. According to the manufacturer, the HVAC tool bag fits a 14-piece wrench set, an extension cable, screwdrivers, testers, electric drills and drill bits, among others. The company will freely replace or repair HVAC tool bags that malfunction from normal use, but buyers have to first get a return authorization and then pay to ship back the bag. Although pricey, this is the best backpack tool bag for HVAC that is ideal for all the small equipment you need to successfully complete your repair work. The sheer number of pockets is impressive, particularly for several small HVAC tools, but it is more difficult to expand or configure the pockets for some sizable equipment. The stitches on the pockets, shoulder strap and the zippers weaken and fall apart. A molded base would also stabilize the tool bag on the surface when it is loaded up with tools. At number 3. Klein Tools 55485 Tool Bag Backpack. Klein Tools 55485 Tool Bag Backpack is in a similar price range as Tekit MC Vito Compact Open Top Tool Bag. It is quite bulky with a weight of 13 pounds and dimensions of 19.5 x 13.5 x 11 inches. The backpack tool bag for HVAC professionals has a sum of 48 internal and external pockets segmented into diverse styles for different tool sizes. Klein Tools 55485 Tool Bag Backpack has a fully molded bottom and a 1680D ballistic weave material which is durable and water-resistant to protect the HVAC equipment from moisture on the ground. Moreover, the handle and the heavy-duty zipper are reinforced with strong aircraft cable to comfortably carry several tools. A notable feature is the removable tool caddy with a carrying handle and a D-shaped hanging hook made from heavy-duty metal for items that you need within easy reach when working. It has a zipper pocket and open and close pouches for small items. The zipper has lockable pulls so you can acquire locks separately to add a protective layer of security. It provides sufficient support with well-padded shoulder straps that can be adjusted with the buckled strap for the chest and other straps for the lower section. If you are still in doubt, remember that the maker of this HVAC tool bag has been manufacturing hand tools for at least 160 years. You can count on the workmanship, performance and the reassurance of having the products made in the USA for convenient shipping. And also the owners like the bright orange interior which speeds up retrieval of items, and the front pocket for delicate items such as phones and safety glasses. They dislike the heavy weight although they appreciate its ability to hold heavy tools. At number 4. DeWalt L255 HVAC Tool Backpack. This is a high-quality LED-lighted HVAC tool backpack manufactured by the ever-present DeWalt. Its LED lights allow the technician to either illuminate the work area or illuminate inside the bag when seeking for a specific tool. This backpack has a total of 57 tool pockets, with 48 pockets being placed internally, while the remaining 9 pockets are outside facing. The DeWalt DGL523 has a load-free weight of 5 pounds, which makes it a relatively lightweight bag when compared to either the Hvac Pro Pack Tech Pack Service Technician bag or the Klein Tools 55456 BPL. It can be used for carrying a few tools as the bag weight would not unduly alter the overall weight of the load. The base of the DGL523 is 8.5 inches long and 4.5 inches wide, while its average height is 7.4 inches, and this makes it smaller in size when compared to either the Hvac Pro Pack Tech Pack or the Klein Tools. The dimensions of the DeWalt DGL523 give it an average internal storage volume of 283 cubic inches, which is compartmentalized into several storage bays. This tool bag also features an organizer pouch. The ergonomic design of this Hvac tool backpack allows technicians to use both their hands while carrying their service tools. The firm back padding of this bag, alongside its straps, allows for optimal weight distribution. This is further improved by its stiff back plate that reduces drag when the technician is walking or climbing. The featured LED lighting is graded into 3 levels. This allows for the light output to be adjusted as necessary, and this allows the technician to illuminate either a wide work area or a narrow close-up work area. Because it uses battery-powered LED lights, this backpack comes with 2 AAA-size batteries which can be easily replaced. The maximum light output of the LED lighting system is 39 lumens. The DeWalt DGL523 also features unique and well-designed closures, with its 2 top-placed handles allowing the technician to easily access the storage bays. Likewise, its heavy-duty construction features water-resistant fabric, back padding, and tough fastenings that can bear weight without becoming loose. Its padding allows for molding of an ergonomic back pad, which is seamlessly connected to its adjustable shoulder straps. Its base features base pad feet which are designed to minimize wear caused by abrasion. Moreover, its load-displacing shoulder straps are well padded. At number 5. CLC Custom LeatherCraft 1537 Multi-Compartment Tool Carrier, 30 pocket, 13 in. CLC multi-compartment tool carrier features an adjustable shoulder strap and padded reinforced web carrying handles for portability and a zippered side panel with 30 vertical pockets for quick retrieval of your Hvac tools. We need to point out that the newer 1539 series is the one with zippered storage panels on both sides, since some of the marketing pictures mix up the 2 models and confuse buyers. The padded strap is comfortable to sling the bag along on ladders and other narrow spaces, and it frees up your hands for more tasks. Be cautious with the strap because a couple of customers note that the metal connection may loosen up. The zippered side fits pliers, a pair of channel locks, winches, and drivers for Hvac installation and routine maintenance. However, the tool bag may fall over if the tools in the side pockets are heavier than the ones secured in the center chamber. Buyers like the huge amount of open interior space, although the absence of individual pockets in this area may make it difficult to sort through several items. They would wish to have pockets in the main internal storage where they can compartmentalize an assortment of their trade tools in an organized manner, and they also suggest a lighter color for main storage to easily view and identify the items in central storage. Otherwise, they consider the CLC multi-compartment tool carrier an affordable lightweight 1.6-pound backpack tool bag for Hvac. It has dimensions of 13x 17 inches, and there are 4 pads at the base to keep the bag off the ground and steady in an upright position.